What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. Things I wish I knew when I first started trading. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. So in this video, we're going to be breaking down a lot of things that people do not talk about. So I'm going to literally tell y'all the things y'all need to focus on that's going to take your trading to the next level. I'm speaking from experience. Now, the first thing that you need to understand, and members and students, you hear me talk about this all the time, is that there is no coincidences in the markets. Now, what do I mean by that? A lot of times people skip the step of learning how to read the charts because they think price is just moving randomly, or they think you can't predict the markets. When you just sit back, relax, and actually pay attention and observe the charts, you'll notice that they do the same thing on not just a day-by-day basis, but a week-by-week and month-by-month basis. That's how I'm always able to, at the beginning of the week on a Sunday chart analysis and free signal for Telegram, break down my projections, what I see price doing, not just that night, but throughout the entire week. As you can see right here, this is how we did last month for May. We went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate, cost 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You can also see some student results and testimonial, and over 1,000 receipts of screenshots of student results, testimonials, screenshots of actual position of trades I took, screenshots of signals I called, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check all that stuff out. Now, that's how we did last month. Now, how we did quarter one to start the year off, we went 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate. January, we went 20-0, catching 37,620 pips. February, we went 17-1, catching 24,403 pips. Then March, we went 16-3, catching 49,783 pips, catching a total of 111,806 pips. You can see this by scrolling to April 4th. You click right here. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the year. Now, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Another example and proof in the pudding that there is no coincidence in the market, because if there was really a coincidence in the market, how does price react the same way to this level when price is trading as resistance, and then react the same way to the same exact price level when price is then trading it as support? You know what? Actually, let me show you something even better than this. So as you can see right here, I have this level marked up as a key support resistance level, and we can see that price right here, February 2024, was respecting this level as support. We go to the left, we see the same exact price levels being respected as support and resistance all the way a year ago in 2023. We keep scrolling to the left, we see the same low as being treated as support and resistance all the way in June 2023, April 2023. But it gets even crazier. We keep scrolling to the left and we zoom out, we see the same exact support resistance level has been respected as support resistance for 2 years. But it gets even crazier. We keep scrolling to the left, the same exact support resistance level has been treated as support resistance since 2018. So you tell me since 2018 price has just been coincidentally reacting and responding to this level the same exact way over and over again? Or are you telling me since literally 2010, over a decade, price has been reacting to the same support resistance level? And you think I'm just making stuff up? Let's follow this, right? Let's unbold this line so we can pay attention to what's important right now. This is May 2010. I'm about to click this arrow, and this brings us back to where it was just at, February 2024. But it gets even crazier than that, right? It gets even crazier than that. Let's look at this level right here. This level has been being treated as support resistance literally since the 80s and 90s. So you're telling me for over 3, 4, 5 decades, price has been reacting the same to these levels since the 80s, since 2015. You cannot tell me that stuff's a coincidence, y'all. So that's why it's so important to learn the rules and script to the markets. That way you not only understand what price is doing, but you can take advantage of this and ride the wave. This is what we do all the time when we take trades. That's why when we take trades, they don't just hit and go our direction for 5-10 minutes, but they hit and go our direction for the day, right? We catch daily candlesticks when all TPs get hit, and there's a reason for that, because again, we're following the flow of price. Now that brings us into the next thing we're going to be talking about. Instead of over leveraging to make your daily goal or to make quote unquote a lot of money, go for a higher risk reward. I'm gonna say that again. Go for a higher risk reward instead of a higher lot size. One of the biggest account killers is over leveraging. You might know the direction price is going, but because you risk too much off rip, you might not be able to handle the drawdown, or you might mentally not be able to handle the drawdown that you see on your screen or on your, on your broker. But if you risk the same amount every single trade, which is 1 to 5%, and you go for a 2 to 3, a 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, you will literally grow your account quickly while risking a small amount. Let me explain. And I got a video breaking this down on my YouTube channel. If you risk 5% of your account per trade, you literally have to lose 20 trades in a row to blow your account. If you risk 2% of your account per trade, you'll literally have to lose 50 trades in a row to blow your account. If you risk 1% of your account per trade, you'll literally have to lose 100 trades in a row to blow your account. And hopefully nobody here is scared of losing 100 trades, let alone 50, hopefully not 20 trades in a row. But if you felt some nervousness when I said those numbers, that's fine. You just got some more to learn, which is no problem. It's no rush. But this is why it's so important. Watch this. So let's say I'm risking 5% of my account per trade, and there's 5 trading days. I just take 1 trade per day. If I secure profits at a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio every day, I'm literally making half my account in 1 week. If I do that for 2 weeks straight, I can literally double my account in just 2 weeks of trading without over leveraging and just risking 5%. It's that simple, y'all. And again, it's not hard to find 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 risk reward ratio setups. Here's a clear 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, clear 1 to 3, another 1 to 4, and this is just GU. If I pull up the other charts, we'd be here all day. But again, this is how you grow your account, risk reward, not over leveraging. A lot of y'all try to make that money on the front end, but you need to make it on the back end. You get what I'm saying? Because again, just because you put that big lot size, yes, that means you could potentially make X amount of dollars per pip, but that means you could also lose X amount of dollars per pip. And again, trading is about investing. You need to make smart investments, right? If you go for a 1 to 1 or less risk reward ratio, that's not a smart investment. So for example, if I'm putting $200 on the line at risk and the most I can make is $100, does that sound like a good risk reward ratio? Does that sound like a good investment? No. That's why this is so important. And then here is the last step I got for y'all. Y'all need to go with the flow of price. I know it'll be tempting sometimes. You see price going one way and you don't want to miss out any pips when that FOMO kicks in. But again, you want to go with the flow of price. Everything about trading is about high probability, high quality setups. I tell my members and students all the time, trading isn't gambling. A lot of people are just gambling. Trading isn't risky. A lot of people are just being risky. Let's think about the odds again. If we're in the uptrend, that means price is going up, what, 60, 70, 80, 90% of the time. And when we look at GU, we can clearly see that we are in an uptrend. And when we look at this uptrend, we see what? We see way more green candlesticks than red. And we see the moves up are way bigger than the moves down. So when you're just thinking logically, does it make any sense to go for sales when we're in an uptrend? No. When we're thinking logically, what will give me the highest likelihood of price going in my favor if we're in an uptrend? Going for buys or going for sales? Buys, hopefully everybody said. And then another thing, if you're going to put your hard-earned money into the markets, would you rather take a 60, 70, 80, 90% chance of price going your way, or a 10, 20, 30% chance? Now, obviously, most of y'all might have said the former, but a lot of y'all in the moment go for the latter. This is super important, y'all. And these things right here literally helped me start winning more trades, growing my account on a weekly basis, and took my trading to the next level. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to mark out these levels, my Signal services or mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York price watch list. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.